All right, everybody. Another video about order of operations. This time we are going to have some exponents involved. So just a quick reminder about this. PEMDAS is our mnemonic device to help remember which order we need to go to solve our problems. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally is another mnemonic device to help you solve these problems and remember the steps. When we have PEMDAS, remember we're going to look for parentheses first. Then we're going to have exponents, which is what we're talking about today. So 5 squared, this exponent up here, you could have 6 to the third. It doesn't matter what your exponent is. If you have an exponent, that's the next step after parentheses. Then we have multiplication and division that are done at the same time from left to right. And then addition and subtraction, which are done at the same time from left to right. Okay, so here we go. First step, are we going to do our parentheses first? So parentheses, inside this parentheses, we kind of have an interesting addition. We have 4 squared. So inside here, we're actually going to, because inside our parentheses, we can actually go through PEMDAS all by itself too. So 4 squared is 16 minus 10 times 3 plus 4 minus 2. So now we're ready to simplify this parentheses again. And I realize that seems weird that we did the exponents, but they were inside that parentheses. So we had to treat this whole area in here as its own little problem. So inside there weren't any parentheses, and then we were on to exponent. There weren't any multiplication division, so now we're doing addition subtraction. 16 minus 10 is 6 times 3 plus parentheses 4 minus 2. End parentheses. Then we're going to continue simplifying these parentheses. 6 times 3 plus 4 minus 2 is 2. So we've done parentheses. There are no exponents left. We have multiplication and division left. So 6 times 3 is 18. Done with multiplication and division. Now we're on to add subtract. 18 plus 2 is 20. And that problem is done. All right, here's another one. So first thing we're going to do is this parentheses. So 6 plus 2 is the first thing we're going to simplify, which is 8. Then next thing we're going to do, we're done with parentheses. We're going to come over here to exponents. 5 squared is 25 plus 8 times 5. Done with exponents. On to multiplication division. So 25 plus 40. Done with multiplication division. Add, subtract, 65. 25 plus 40 is 65. One more. All right, let's do parentheses first. So we're going to write all the other simplification, or the things we're not simplifying first. All right, 3 times 7 is 21. Done with parentheses. On to exponents. 36 minus 10 minus 15 plus 21. So we're done with exponents. I don't see any more multiplication or division. Now we're on to add, subtract. So we are going to take the first thing we're going to take is and again, side math is your friend. So 36 minus 10 is going to be 26. Okay, so now we're going to rewrite that. So 26 minus 15 plus 21. Then our next simplification, we're going to subtract 15 from this. So 1 and 1, so we get 11 plus 21. And again, if you want to do side math, go for it. So we end up with 32. Okay, and we're that problem. So remember, this PEMDAS these are the steps, and the PEMDAS is just a mnemonic device or a way for your brain to remember it, but these are the steps to solving these problems correctly. So feel free to rewatch, or I have some other videos on PEMDAS that you can check out as well. Thanks a lot. Bye.